I don't have an in, and I'm not able to go talk to Attorney General about the scope of our defences, but a foreign apartheid state has the right to do that. So I just think it seriously poses questions about the independence of the legal system, the fairness of these trials, and also the extent of what is going on. This is just the tip of the iceberg, I'm sure, in these situations. So, we're hoping to get further information out to show some of the further extent of how deep this goes. But the CPS's own guidelines, and this was about the Attorney General's office who superintends the CPS, say that they have to remain independent from political influence. Now, that includes political influence from our government, the UK government, and it most definitely includes independence from the Israeli government, which they are openly talking with about matters which relate to our cases. And in those cases, that should amount to an abuse of process. So we are seeing what I think is unprecedented information getting out about how the UK is willing to allow the apartheid state of Israel access to information about our cases. And we don't know how far this goes, what information has been shared. There was mention about sharing further information between the two parties, which does suggest that some information was shared in the first place. But overall, I think it does show the strength of Palestine Action. The Israeli embassy said in response to the Guardian article that they raise awareness about severe attacks related to entities related to Israel. And therefore, it just demonstrates that they were in themselves admitting that they are trying to justify it by saying that they need to raise awareness of severe attacks in their own words. But for us, the fact that they feel the need to intervene demonstrates the strength of what we are doing. And we will fight them both at their weapons factories, in the courts, and we will expose them through that process. We're not going to go down without a fight.